Everyone. Again, we're still trying to display this box right here. We're still dealing with exercise number 2. Okay, so previously we've counted the number of X streets up there, and we've found that there are 19 of them, and the same thing for the bottom ones. But in the middle we have only one of them, one in the right and then one in the left. Likewise for the third row. Okay, and there are 17 spaces in between these two asterisks here. Okay, so let's try to display that using a different approach. So just like before, I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Unlike before, I'll simply go I'll display an asterisk and then another one, and then finally I'll use my separator to simply go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I'll use my separator to create the spaces in the middle. Okay, same thing applies for that. In case you guys like the whole idea of copying and pasting, feel free to let me know. Okay, I don't wanna make any assumptions here. Okay, I know some people out there might prefer me to type each and every character. Okay, that way no confusion will be created for those people. Okay, let's see what happens if I go boom. Again, you're getting the exact box that we expected. Again, you guys, I would super appreciate if you keep me posted in regards to what is it that you think of these solutions. Again, for now, I know you might not find them, you might not find the value on them. Come on, we're still getting started, so we haven't yet covered fascinating concepts. Okay, so that's gonna be it, you guys. I'll see you on the next solution. Cheers, I'm gone.